Welcome everyone in this new live development video about building an auto battle game. In this video we're going to get rid of our pesky bug regarding the squares, and it's also going to reduce the lag by a lot, so we want that hotfix. So we're going to add over our grid, and we're going to add over our construction script, build grid, and in here we want to check if we are in editor, I guess. I don't know if we can do this. Can we check if we are in editor? We want to check if we are in somehow playing or in the editor itself. I don't know if we can do this in Blueprint. We'll build it by hand if we can't. But I wonder. If we can. I'll just bring up if we can. So can we do this? With editor, but I'm not sure we can be calling this in here, or maybe it changed the name. Editor source control helpers, not what we want. Yeah. It doesn't help us, I guess. So I think we'll just be building this by hand. We'll build a simple variable. This is going to be called editor, and it's going to be set to false. At that time we're going to check that. By default editor is going to be true, and if we are in editor mode, if we are not in editor mode, we're going to do what we were doing. If not, we're going to draw debug box like this. The center is going to be there, the extent is going to be the square size, I think. Well, I think we can just do this. If this is the case, duration 0, I think it's gonna work, I'm not sure. Thickness 5, rotation 0. We want that to be like green. If we hit compile, we're only going to have green, but they are and they are not in the right location. That sounds quite strange. If we are hitting play, we have the stuff in the right location though. Yep, I'm just going to put that at the correct location. I'm not sure what it was. Yeah, like this. So why is it being drawn in the wrong location? Maybe because they don't have the proper size, or the rotation is not correct. And we also have this duration bug. I think if we specify -1, it's just going to no, they are not. We want to hide unconnected pin here. Because if we do this, we're just going to see them like forever, or just not at all. Oh, let's just check out the battlefield real quick. We just don't see any. Oh yeah, okay, I know why. Because we are adding this as a relative transform, so we need to add the position of the grid. Yep. But it's still not, and the rotation of the grid. I think that's it. Oh yeah. So it's drawing them forever, and it's using a lot of performances, and we don't want that at all. And it's still not correct what we're seeing. So I just want to, if we say 0 and we say run construction script on drag, it's just gonna lag like a lot. Because if we just say nothing here, okay, it's drawing stuff over and over. We're going to restart the editor because it doesn't like what we're doing right now. I'm just gonna close this because we fixed those bugs in the previous video. And if this is not working, I'm not sure what we'll be doing. So in here we don't have any lags, so that's one thing. But as you can see, we can't be handling our battlefields like this. But we can't be drawing stuff using draw debug box because, as you could see, it's spamming this. It's actually spamming. And I'm not sure how we can be doing this. I'm really not sure. We don't want to add child actor components. Maybe we could be adding static mesh components. Let's just open up the square and grab. Oh yeah, but we have like a size here. I think we can do something like this. Copy this. What is this? A cube 1. So we are gonna add a cube 1. Relative transform is going to be this, I guess. We'll see if it works. So if we're doing this, we should see lots of stuff here. So that's kind of good news, because that's looking like something we want to see. So this is actually the location we want, but it's not the size we want here. So we want that location, but the size we want the square size divided by 100, I think. Yep, I think that's it. We'll just check if yeah, they are too small, and they should be too small as well. Yep, they are. But we're not getting rid of this when we play, whereas we should be. So we'll just store that into a variable. So this is really not what you usually want to do, but that's one way to do this. Placeholder blocks. We're going to store them, and we're going to destroy them all. And we're going to reverse for each loop and destroy these components when we hit play. Like this, and we're going to make that white. What did we use for our square? Low gray, that's what we want here. And we want a smaller Z value. Like this, so we can preview what's going on there. So it's lagging a lot. I guess it doesn't like the destruction of the components. And yeah, that's not the point here. That's not the issue here. I tried to leave, but it didn't like, and it lagged a lot. Yeah, so maybe we crashed. So the issue here, I think, is that we are creating our editor boolean actually does not work. It does not work. So yeah, I think we need to be doing something like that's pretty annoying. That the child actor bug is pretty annoying. Maybe for now. I have to think about this. How are we gonna do this? So we are destroying them, and it even throw errors at us. For now, I guess we can just say we can let we're gonna get rid of this first, and we're just not gonna call build grid in construction script, I think, for now. And we're gonna remove the boolean editor. Yep, so we're not gonna have anything, but we're gonna have something here now. And we'll just do something else, preventing the random to give us a default unit. When we have a default unit, it means we have a bug. That's what we have to think. That's what it has to tell us. So we're gonna open the bench, make random name is gonna start at 1, because I think the list of name in the table, the default unit is the first unit here. So we're gonna ignore that first unit, and I think we're never gonna have a default units anymore. Yeah, and we add 3 knights, so strong. So this is gonna wrap up that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So don't worry about that error. That's just because we actually dropped the knights on the other side of the battlefield, and it failed to find the owner of that. So maybe before we wrap up the video, we'll just fix this. Maybe we can fix this quickly. I think we already tried, but I'm not sure we succeeded. So that's mainly when we focus Oh yeah, we were fine. We were trying to know if we can ignore the square here if it's not belonging to our local fight zone. But we don't have a fight zone here, but we have the reference to our player state, I assume. We don't even have this. But yeah, we will need to exclude. We've already been through this, so we're not gonna fix this in this video. So hope you guys enjoyed that video and hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.